All right, so we're gonna attempt debeading this trials tire. I don't know if it's gonna work. I just kind of had an idea to simplify the process. If you don't have a tire changer, you don't have the debeading tool. What I'm gonna try doing is putting it in the vise, squeezing it, and see if this will come off the bead. And if it's a bust, well, then it's a bust. You'll need a, what is this one? This one is a 6-inch vise. Okay, let's see. Clamp it in there. This is an old tire, so I don't really care about it. It's cracked anyways. Almost. Squeezing it a little bit more. Let's see. We give it a hit. Oh, I can hear some air coming out. And it worked. It worked. This side worked. That's awesome. Okay, so if you have a vise on a bench, you don't care about your old tire, squeeze it. I just heard some air come out. This side, not quite there yet. This one I can do by hand. So that side came off. Tire is sticky. See what we can do here. Give it a little bit of persuasion. Take a mallet and we can drive it. So you know what I can do right now? We'll let it go. And I've got a little bit of soapy solution. So we know that that side worked. What we can do is I got a little bit of laundry soap right here. Take your tire iron, gently lift the tire down. Just pour a little bit of soap in there. Let it work its way in. And then I'll try it in the vise again. You can even let it roll around. And then we'll try it again. Make sure you clear the rim. You can see right here, this side came off the bead. No problem. Tire is sticky. Still a factory mounted tire. Never been off the rim, so you're gonna have a couple of years worth of use and dirt in there. It's all gonna be sticky. see. Kind of use your tire iron against the vise. Still no bueno. And I think we can get it. This was a bit stubborn. A little bit of an idea, if we put a bar in there that can help push. These are just vise blocks, magnetic ones. Make sure we clear the rim. Yeah, it's being a little bit stubborn on that side. There it goes. There it goes. That goes the axle for the TRS. Okay, cool. We got it now. Super sticky. Super sticky. We got it. There. Good. So that helped. Just having that block as a spacer. So if you're ever doing your own tire changes, and the hardest part is probably breaking the bead in these guys. Now you can see I could walk around the rim and it's off the bead now. And that's the back tires, no tube in there, they're tubeless tires. Beauty. So now, the beauty of this fabrication table is I can use long bolts and use that to my advantage. For work holding, I can put spacers, tire spins, I can work around with it. So yeah, there you go. That's how to de-bead the tire. I can't believe it worked. I was thinking about it. It's a great idea. Save that for your arsenal. You have a vise. Heck, even if you're riding and you have a work truck, a utility truck, and you've got a vise in the back of your truck, this is money.